Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the oil cap. It's a little tight. I'm gonna remove it. So where I like to put it in the hinge. So that way if we forget to install it, the hood won't close. Next is I'm gonna remove the filter. Just be careful with the terminal end. Okay, so I'm gonna just loosen it for right now. Make sure fluid comes out. Okay, I'm gonna lift the car. Okay, so with the 17mm, we're gonna go ahead and remove the oil drain plug. Okay, so I'm gonna install the new washer. I'm gonna go ahead and install it back into place. And we're gonna torque it down. Okay, so we're gonna torque it to 41mm. There we go. Okay, and then we're just gonna clean it around it. As clean as possible. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and replace our filter. Go ahead and clean this up. I'm gonna go ahead and start a new filter. So just put your hand tight, like so. So now we're gonna go ahead and fill up our engine. It takes 5.7. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, after we start oil, we're gonna go ahead and put the oil cap back on it. Snug it down. Okay, so after we put our oil cap back on, you want to start it for a little bit. Then after that, you want to check your oil level. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, first. It should be right there. In a second, too. And that's it.